In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use the Pay Bills tool to record payments accurately and keep your vendor balances up to date. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks account. From the home page, open the Pay Bills screen, click the plus new button at the top left, then under the Vendors section, select Pay Bills. This brings up a list of unpaid bills. If your layout looks a bit different, look for the same plus new menu or use the search bar to find pay bills. If the list is empty, it likely means bills haven't been entered yet, so once they're in, they'll appear here. Next, choose which bills you want to pay. At the top of the Pay Bills page, select the bank account you're paying from. Pick the checking or cash account that will fund the payment. This tells QuickBooks where to record the withdrawal. Then review the list of bills and check the box beside each bill you want to pay today. You can select one or multiple at once. Take a moment to confirm the vendor, due date, amount, and any credits applied. Keep an eye on the running total so it matches what you intend to pay and what your bank balance can support. Now, enter your payment details. Set the payment date to the day you're actually making the payment so your register and cash flow reports stay accurate. Choose the payment method that fits how you're paying. Check if you plan to print or handwrite a check, cash if you're recording a cash payment, or ACH if you'll send an electronic transfer. If you have a reference number, like a check number or a bank confirmation, add it in the reference field. This is optional, but it makes reconciliation and future lookups much easier. When everything looks correct, save your work. Click Save and Close to record the payment and finish. If you're printing a check right now, choose Save and Print so you can print using your check stock. After saving, QuickBooks automatically updates the bill's status to paid and records the transaction in your bank register and in the vendor's activity. If you spot a mistake later, you can open the payment to edit or void it, then re-enter the correct details. That's all there is to it. Open Pay Bills, choose your funding account, select the bills, enter the date, method, and any reference, and save. Following this routine helps you avoid late fees, keeps vendors happy, and ensures clean reconciliations. Feel free to pause and complete the steps in your own file and revisit any section